out the driver's side fender liner. Beneath it, everything looks good. Paint's still there, it's not all dirty, no rust. Found some more stuff that we knew was back there, but we are going to be getting rid of, so I'll show you guys that now. So as you can see, clean all behind the fender liner, unlike what you see all right there. Getting rid of that guy. But overall, good to see that there is no rust behind these. There's not a bunch of buildup, dirt, and things like that from the years. So we're gonna keep going. Alright, so as you guys just saw, we went ahead and removed the inner fender liners, we removed the vacuum reservoir, and there was a charcoal canister up inside the inner fender liner. One was on each side. Now we're going to go into the engine bay a little bit, kind of start getting rid of some stuff, get it ready to start cleaning up and shave the bay. So I'll take you guys there now. Alright guys, so as you just saw, pulled out the steering rack. Really all I had to do to get that out, there's 2 mounts for it that attach to the body. Each mount has 2 13mm, one up top, one on the bottom. You also have to release the steering shaft from the steering rack. That's another 13mm. You have to counterhold the nut on the back. As I found out, I thought it would be like newer cars that I've worked on where you just pull a bolt straight out of it, but you got to counterhold. Other than that, I left the tie rods on and I pulled the rack all the way to one side till I could get the outer tie rod past the body, flopped it onto the other side of the body and pulled the whole rack straight out. You do have to disconnect the shifter linkage where it attaches to the bottom. That's 2 13mm. That's really about it. Comes right out after that, so let's continue on.